Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to explain how you can add comments or notes to your spreadsheets or documents on Google Sheets. So let us get started. So guys, let me navigate to this example spreadsheet here, and it works the following way, guys. You can add comments and notes, custom comments and notes to each cell. This is how you can do it. Simply right click into the given cell. Let's assume I would like to comment on that cell here. And from that menu, simply select comment or insert note. You can do both of it. So let me go with insert note first. And after that, you will see that small text, default text here, type here. So let me add, for example, example note. And that's it. Click off, and that is going to save the note automatically. If I hover my mouse over that very small triangle in the top right corner of the cell, it will highlight your note, as you can see. And that's it. If you right click into it again, you may, for example, delete the note, or you may leave a comment by using that option here, by applying the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-M. And after that, simply leave your comment, like, I don't know, good work or something like that. Click into comment, and that is going to add the comment. Click into that check mark to mark the given comment as resolved, for example. And of course, other users who have access to your document will have the opportunity to, for example, comment or to reply to that comment as well. If you click into these three dots here, you may delete the comment, edit it, see the reactions, and so on and so forth. And the comment is highlighted with a yellow triangle in the top right corner. We see the note, and below also the comment. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.